Hey everybody, today's video is kind of a combo. I'm going to do a bit of a review on the Milwaukee M12 kit that I got. It's a two tool kit. It's the 3497-22 kit, and I've been wanting to try the smaller 12 volts a little bit, but most of my tools are on the other 20 volt system. But there are some Milwaukees that I really wanted to try, and I was trying to think of I'm kind of cheap. It's not like the wife will say, no, you can't go buy those tools, but it's me. So I figured out a loophole on my own thinking. I need these smaller ones because the kids are starting to do projects. So, so I got to try these. So, in that kit, it came with these two, and it came with two batteries. One is the 4, and to pull the batteries, you just squeeze on the black clips right there. Put them in there, boom, back in, and then the smaller one, the 2.0, same type of deal. Also came with a bag. So sometimes that's nice, sometimes you don't need the bag. But this one did, since these are actually the first Milwaukee cordless tools that I have picked up. I've been using them now for a week or so, and I really like them. I like the way they fit. And again, the lightness of them. Probably gonna get the hacksaw too. That's what I really want, and then later on we'll take a look at that. But anyway, multiple selections. I like to put screws in. That's on. Works. I think that works pretty good. 3 is a little quick. 1's a little slow for me. But again, you can dial it in for the kids. Probably put it on 1. It'll be easier for them to control. Now, it does come with the battery charger in this kit as well. And since I didn't have that, for me, that was a really good kit to go with. Now, since it's a twofer today, also getting another garbage barrel ready to go. And, it didn't rain a whole lot last year, but we do get moisture from time to time. So with the garbage barrels, I do put 2 or 3 holes in the bottom of them, so that way if it rains or whatever, it can leak out. So let's see how this bad boy does. I've got it set on the drill setting. Again, not quite infinite, but just, a ton of settings. We'll try it on drill first, and then I'll try it on hammer. Okay, that works pretty darn good. Switch her over to hammer. Not a whole lot different. The bit's probably getting a little warm on that because I just did 2 in a row. But so far, yeah, I'm really liking the Milwaukee kit. I'll let you know in future videos how it works out. I got another garbage barrel ready to go, and just, another day here on the farm where we're having fun. So everybody, take care, stay warm.